I think one way that more people can get involved with urban wildlife or just think a bit more about urban wildlife are getting involved in local research initiatives. So I think one huge way is downloading apps like iNaturalist and eBird. So these are apps you can download to your phone. You can take a walk in your neighborhood, for example, or go to a local park, and you can take pictures of the wildlife there and upload it to a server. And so that allows scientists like me to understand urban biodiversity, which is really important for doing things like keeping common species common, and really thinking about urban biodiversity conservation initiatives, things like that. Another way to kind of think more about urban wildlife or be involved is really thinking about things that disproportionately affect them or can lead to a poorer quality of life within urban spaces. So things like feeding anthropogenic foods to urban wildlife isn't best for their health, but also leaving things out like that food or hand feeding them, for example, can make them more habituated or have a higher tolerance of humans. And lastly, when we think about urban wildlife, I think we have to think about how we're also connected to the ecosystems. And so I think that means when we're leaving our pets outside, so keeping your animals on leashes, for example, when you're taking them on walks, and just kind of keeping a close eye on them in your backyard to make sure they're not harming any local biodiversity.